Good day, how you doing? So I decided to make this video just to go over some of the comments that I had using your technology from your company. So I found a video that was showing the technology itself. So the first question I had is, so you see these beams for the foundation and the footing, was that included in the code that you sent? And if not, is that something we would have to build self? So I see you have the beams and footings. So the footings and the beams was included, right? Just want to make sure. Yeah. And if not, then do you guys provide like drawings, a service where you provide the drawings of how the beams have to be? Also the columns, is that was included in the code? Okay, I saw the flooring, so I saw these for sure in the code. So that was, I understand. So the blocks that is used here, do you guys provide these too, or is it regular blocks can be used? Let me know. And do do you guys also provide a system for here, or is it just regular blocks would have to go up there? Yeah, I think it's clear with the stairs. So these are the questions. I'll post them also in the email. So the first question is about the foundation beams. Was it included in the code? If no, do we have to build them? And do you guys provide let's say if we have to build them, do you guys provide like a service where you provide the drawings of how the footings and stuff have to be done? Then the next question is in terms of the shell. So this here, let me show you the picture. So these blocks I'm referring to, is this a part of your solutions? And if normal blocks can be used, then the next question is, do you guys have like a solution where like this whole thing is a span click that could be installed? So that was the next question.